In Texas, spousal support, often referred to as spousal maintenance or alimony, is not automatically granted in divorce cases. The state has strict guidelines governing when and how much spousal support can be awarded. Generally, Texas courts operate under the presumption that spousal maintenance is not warranted unless the spouse seeking support can prove they lack sufficient property or income to provide for their minimum reasonable needs and meets one of several specific criteria. These criteria include: 1. The marriage lasted 10 years or longer, and the seeking spouse lacks the ability to earn sufficient income. 2. The paying spouse was convicted of an act of family violence within 2 years of the divorce filing or during the divorce proceedings. 3. The seeking spouse has an incapacitating physical or mental disability. Or 4. A child of the marriage has a physical or mental disability requiring substantial care and supervision, preventing the seeking spouse from earning sufficient income. Even when spousal maintenance is awarded, it's typically limited in both amount and duration. The maximum amount that can be awarded is either $5,000 per month or 20% of the paying spouse's average monthly gross income, whichever is less. The duration of payments is generally tied to the length of the marriage, with a maximum of 5 years for marriages lasting 10 to 20 years, 7 years for marriages of 20 to 30 years, and 10 years for marriages lasting 30 years or more. However, in cases involving disability or other extenuating circumstances, the court may order maintenance for as long as the disability or circumstances continue. It's important to note that while court-ordered spousal maintenance is limited, couples have the option to negotiate their own agreements for spousal support as part of their divorce settlement. These contractual alimony agreements are not subject to the same restrictions as court-ordered maintenance and can be more flexible in terms of amount and duration. However, once such an agreement is incorporated into the divorce decree, it becomes enforceable by the court. Given the complexities surrounding spousal support in Texas, it's advisable for both the potential paying spouse and the spouse seeking support to consult with experienced family law attorneys to understand their rights and options. If you are in the Arlington, Texas area and would like professional advice, contact Attorney Violet Nwokoye at 817-962-0773.